Good morning everyone. Let's start today's class and I hope all my dear students will be safe at home. So students, today we learn about vegetables. Vegetables like tomato, potato, onion, garlic, ladyfinger, pumpkin, chili, capsicum, cucumber, carrot, brinjal and cabbage. These are the vegetables that we have to eat to stay fit and healthy. So students, I'll make some pictures to identify the vegetables to my cute students. So let's see. You can see, yes, tomato, the vegetable tomato. Tomato is soft and red in color. Tomato. You can say with me, tomato. Next vegetable we have potato. We eat French fries and wafers. This one is potato. Tomato, potato. You can say with me, tomato, potato. Next vegetable we can see here, chili. You can say with me, chili. Chili has green in color and it is very spicy. Chili. You can see here students, chili. You can see, yes. Next vegetable we have here, ladyfinger. Ladyfinger also has green in color. Ladyfinger. Most of the students like to eat vegetable ladyfinger and I also like it. Chili, ladyfinger. Next vegetable we can see here, onion. You can say with me, onion. We use onion most various vegetables. To make various vegetables we use onion. Next vegetable we can see here, garlic. Garlic has white in color. Onion, garlic. Next vegetable here we can see, pumpkin. You can say with me, pumpkin. Pumpkin has orange in color and also green in color, but most of the pumpkin I will see orange in color, so I'll use here orange color. This one is pumpkin. We have to eat because it control our sugar level. In blood. So I suggest most of the sugar patients has to eat pumpkin. Next vegetable here we can see, brinjal. Brinjal has purple in color. Brinjal. Pumpkin, brinjal. Next is carrot. Carrot has red color. Carrot. Next vegetable is cabbage. Cabbage has also green color. Carrot, cabbage. C for carrot and C for cabbage. C for carrot and C for cabbage. Next you can see here, capsicum. You can say with me, capsicum. Capsicum has three color, red, yellow and green, but I use here green color because most of the capsicum we can see green in color. So capsicum. Next vegetable we have here, cucumber. most of the cucumbers we use to in salad. We eat cucumber most of in salad. Cucumber. Capsicum, cucumber. C for capsicum and C for cucumber. Capsicum, cucumber. Okay, I will repeat and I show you all these pictures to identify the vegetables and you tell me the correct word. Let's see. Here you can see, so you can tell me which vegetable it is. Tomato. Very good. Tomato. Tomato. It has red color. Next, I show you this one. Yes, correct. Potato. Potato. We eat wafers and French fries. This one is potato. Very good. Next, I show you which vegetable it is. It is very spicy. Yeah, also green in color. Now you can tell me the correct word. Yes, correct. Chili. 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 Next, yes, I can tell you this is my most of the students like to eat this vegetable and I also. Yes, ladyfinger. It is ladyfinger. Ladyfinger. Okay. Now next. Very good student. So nice of you. Nice attempt. You can see here. So which vegetable it is? Yes. We use this vegetable to various vegetables. Yes. Correct. Onion. It is an onion. Onion. Very good. So which vegetable it is? Yeah, correct. It has white in color. Yeah. Correct. It is garlic. 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 Next you can see here. Yes, it has orange in color. Yeah. And I tell you that most of the sugar patient have to eat this vegetable. Yes, correct. This one is pumpkin. 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 Very good students. Here. Yes, it has purple in color. You can tell me. Yes, correct. Brinjal. 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 Next. Very good students. I am impressed. Which vegetable it is? Carrot. Very good. Carrot. It is red in color. Very good. Which vegetable it is? Yes, it has green in color. Yes, correct. Cabbage. Carrot and cabbage. Very good students. Yes, this one. You can tell me. Yes, correct. I tell you that it has 3 color: yellow, red and green. Correct. This one is capsicum. 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 Yes. This one. Yeah. You can eat this vegetable most often salad. Yeah, correct. This one is cucumber. 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 Capsicum. Cucumber. Very good students. Nice attempt. I am impressed. All my students are so cute. So today we learned about vegetables. I hope you all learn about that, and next time you tell me correct name without any. Okay. So we learn here about vegetables, and I identify to show some pictures, and I hope all my students now understood which vegetable name is. Okay. Thanks for watch.